welcome back to my channel. It's your girl XO coming to you with another video, and today I'm coming to you bare-faced because I have a skincare routine for you guys. So this skincare routine is specifically for people who are going to be traveling during the summer and they don't want to carry like heavy products or anything like that. So I feel like doing a travel size skincare routine in a way. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So first off, I wanted to show you guys this new radiant skincare system that I just got. It's from Duvolle. I don't know, it sounds fancy. This is like a little skincare system. It has a couple of different brush heads and a brush, and I believe this is good for traveling because it's not a plug-in, it's a battery operated, so you don't have to carry anything extra. You just need the brush and the brush heads. I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's gonna come around $30, like under $30. I want to say it's like 28 bucks or something like that. So I will leave a coupon code for you guys down below and a link to the skincare system. So let's just take it out. All right, so this is how it looks. It has a button to, I guess, turn on and then off. I don't think there's any like different levels or whatnot, like level of spinning, I guess. So it has a pumice stone for your feet, a soft brush head for people with sensitive skin. Here is the exfoliating brush head for people who want a deeper clean. And then this is the body brush head, which I think is pretty cool that you can use it for your body because I have chest acne. If you guys don't know, I have chest acne, so this is definitely going to give me a nice deep clean. So today I'm just going to use the exfoliating brush head and then the gentle brush heads, the little small ones for your face. So I am going to start off by spraying my face with water since I'm not by the sink, you know, I'm doing this in my room. So, and I have a towel down so it's not gonna, you know, wet anything. So now that I've wet my face, I'm going to use Dermalogica's Daily Microfoliant. And this is supposed to be like a exfoliator, but very soft on the skin. And this comes in like a powder base, so it's very powdery, as you can see. So it's a powder. You don't want to do this in the shower. You actually want to do this by a sink. If any moisture gets on this, in the package, it's going to clump up, which kind of sucks. I'm gonna just rub this in. Now I'm gonna use the brush. I'm gonna switch the brush head to the exfoliating one, and I'm gonna just use this on my forehead, or wet it a little bit and use it on my forehead. Yeah, this feels so nice. It feels like a little massage for your face. And I noticed you can't really press hard on this, and it doesn't, like, it's not that fast, but I guess it does the job. Alright, I'm gonna spray my face with water. Wipe. So the next thing I like to do is moisturize my face. I like to go straight into moisturizing because my skin is like really dry in this area. Like, it starts to peel. Okay, that's why I exfoliate once every 2 days. So I just exfoliated today because my forehead was feeling really peely, all right? So I'm gonna go into moisturizing, and I like to use 3 different moisturizers for 3 different things. So I use a moisturizer for this section, I use a moisturizer over here, and of course moisturizer from my bags, my little bags. The first moisturizer I'm gonna use is the Exuviance Age Reverse Hydro Firm. And I also have wrinkles on my forehead, so that's why I like the Hydro Firm, because it's gonna get rid of those wrinkles for me. Then I'm gonna go into my Tula Probiotic Skincare Hydrating Day and Night Cream. I like to go into my eye cream, which is the Purity Made Simple Eye Bounce Gel. I've been using this for such a long time. So now I like to go into my lips because my lips are very crusty all the time. but it's naturally very texturized. Well, I tried to keep it semi-smooth by using a lip scrub that I made. So this is basically going to be honey and brown sugar. Okay, now we just take a nice little wet part of a towel and clean that off. So now I like to just go into some basic Vaseline and put it on my lips. To seal everything for the rest of the day, I like to use a hydrating mist because it is summertime, so it's gonna be really, really hot, and I like to keep my face moist in a way. So I'm going to use this rose water that I just got from like a TJ Maxx or Marshalls or whatever, and I'm gonna just spray my face. Alright, so that is basically it for my face. I don't want to do too much to my face because every time I do too much on my face starts breaking out and I can't figure out what it is on my face that's making me break out. So I like to keep my products to a minimum. I want to keep it nice, fresh, and easy. So that is basically it. Like I said earlier, if you guys want to try this out or check it out, I will leave a link down below. I did like it, but I feel like the brush head is a little bit too slow for me. Well, I guess the brush head motion is too slow. I don't know if it's because of my batteries or if it's just naturally supposed to go that slow. I don't know, but personally for me, I would prefer a brush head that goes a little bit faster. I don't know if that helps or if it's just like a mental thing, but I do like when my brush heads go fast. But yeah, that is basically it for my skincare, morning time skincare routine. So if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. You know, enjoy my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in to another video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.